Are these the best fake AirPods that you can get? Stay tuned to find out. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Affordable Tech. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing possibly the best FairPods. Fake AirPods. There's one main reason someone might want a pair of FairPods. That being, you want people to think that you have an original pair of AirPods. So, the only reason you should get these is if you want to create the illusion of AirPods, while also having some decent sound quality and useful features. I'm going to try out a new review method, and it consists of basically putting my overall conclusion at the front of the video, and if you're still interested, you can watch the rest of the video for more info. That being said, they excel at one thing, and that is looking like AirPods. Other than that, sound quality is decent, battery life is, well, poor, and the overall features are mediocre. So, I wouldn't recommend this product as a good pair of earphones, but only as a good pair of fake AirPods. So, let's get into the review. These FairPods cost $30 on AliExpress. Shipping is free, but expected arrival is about 20 days after purchase, which is honestly a little scary, but not too much of a big deal. The case charges via micro USB and has a button on the front you click to start charging the earphones. As soon as you take the FairPods out of the case, they immediately begin looking to pair. In fact, the video I was recording stopped when this pop-up came up. While this is a nice feature of seamless pairing, there are a few annoying drawbacks. Firstly, the battery level for the case stated on the pop-up is entirely false, and actually never changes, so you're never able to actually tell what percentage the battery case is on. The battery life on the earphones is accurate though. On to pairing. After the initial pair, for the most part, it's pretty seamless once again. You just take the headphones out, and it immediately pairs to your phone. Let's now talk about the features for a second. I'll start this off by saying that they do not pause when you remove one from your ear. They state that tapping once on the earphone will make the music stop, double tapping will raise/lower the volume, and triple tapping will skip the song. I found that these FairPods have trouble recognizing taps, and I will often have to tap multiple times just for it to recognize a single tap. That means it's almost impossible to use the double and triple tap features. Next, let's talk sound quality and range. If I'm being honest, these headphones really don't sound half bad for what they are, just slightly subpar in comparison to the real deal. Range is pretty good. I'd say approximately 30 to 50 feet before you lose signal, depending on your surroundings. Finally, let's compare the body to the real things. They're almost an exact one-to-one match. The stock is just a little bit thicker, but it's unnoticeable, even to people who own real AirPods. My final thoughts are this. These are a really great pair of fake AirPods. You can get really good fully Bluetooth earphones for cheaper if you want better features and sound quality, but that's not their purpose. So in regards to their purpose, which is fooling people into thinking you have a fake pair of AirPods, they're great and do a wonderful job at that. But if you're looking for a nice and cheap pair of fully Bluetooth headphones, honestly, I'd say look somewhere else. Thanks for watching, guys. If you haven't done so already, please consider subscribing to Affordable Tech. I'm serious, guys. You're going to save a lot of money, we're going to have a good time, and you're going to enjoy watching good content. So if you enjoyed the video, please leave me some feedback down below, and also drop a like. It really helps me out a lot more than you guys know. And as always, thanks guys, and have a blessed day.